Determiners, a simple and easy to score topic in English grammar. It is a word that introduces a noun. It always comes before a noun and not after. It may also come before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. For example, I can say some women. Okay, so some is the determiner and women is the noun. I can also say some busy women. Now the word busy describes the noun and the determiner will come before that adjective and noun. Okay. There are 5 different types of determiners. The first one is articles, the definite article the and the indefinite article a and an. So we can use it like this: an error, the elephant, or the huge elephant, an umbrella, etc. Then we have possessive pronouns as determiners. Possession means to own something. So my necklace, her husband, your bag, her classroom, okay, my diamond necklace. So when I am showing that I own something or someone owns something, that is the determiner, which is also a possessive pronoun. Demonstratives is when I want to show something to someone. Demonstrate. So we have 4 demonstratives, that is this, that, these and those. And we use it like this: this white envelope, that faraway house, those beautiful dresses. Okay. Next we have quantifiers, where we use words which show quantity like much, many, few, several, half, both. Okay, many people, several books, a few pens, half a bottle. Okay. And the last one is numerals, which are numbers. So 4 rooms, 47 candles, 100 years. Now, these are some phrases using different types of determiners like articles, the possessive pronoun, demonstratives, the quantifiers showing you some kind of quantity, and numerals. Now, an exercise where you need to insert appropriate determiners and only use the articles. An example is given to you here: give me the money you owe me. Okay, so when there is a specific thing that you know about, okay, I love the book, I don't love a book, any book. So accordingly you will insert the appropriate determiners, whether it is the definite or the indefinite. Do the exercise orally and then check the answers. Similarly, another exercise for demonstratives. Okay, if you can see here, there are 4 demonstratives. If we have a singular subject, then we use this or that. If the thing is nearby, this flower. If it is far away, that butterfly. And if there are many in the plural, we say these flowers for someone, something which is close by, and those butterflies for butterflies which are far away. So insert appropriate determiners in the same manner and then check the answers. Quantifiers, which show how much of something is there. Again, you insert appropriate determiners in the passage given below. See that the determiners match the sentences. and then you can check with the answers. Possessive pronouns as determiners. Insert these possessive pronouns, her, my, its, your, our, into these sentences. Another exercise. Complete the introduction given below to the story, The Storyteller by H.H. Munro by using a, an or the, and you know that a, an or the are articles. So read the passage given below nicely, carefully, and see whether you have to use the definite article or the indefinite article as a determiner. The answers to that passage are here. Another exercise. Here are a few questions or statements written down by a cultural secretary that he or she needs to share. You have to choose the correct word from those given in brackets and reframe your sentence. The first one, how much many chair or chairs do we need? So how, when we can count, we use many. When we can't count, we use much. So countable noun is chair. So how many chairs do we need? Similarly, you choose the correct word, the determiner and the noun in brackets and reframe your sentence correctly. The answers to your sentences. Okay.